actually got started in this industry about 10 months ago. And at this time, I was a bus operator for the city bus company here in Chicago, Illinois. And
Uh-huh.
at that time, I didn't have any time for my family. My schedule was just all over the place. And
Uh-huh.
when I got home from work, my children were already asleep. I didn't
Oh.
have time for my husband because I wanted to go to sleep. So it was just
Yeah,
it was
yeah.
just, it was just all around bad. And then as far as money, the money was okay if it was just for one person, but we're a family of five, so we always needed some more income coming in.
Yeah.
And so when I saw there was an opportunity for me to profit from the forex industry, I wanted to take it serious because I felt like, hey, this can make me some money.
Mm.
So once I got educated, it made sense that these banks and institutions are out here pretty much using our money to trade in the forex market all the time. So why can't I?
Mm.
And so once I got a hold of that information, I started learning everything I could. And within just a few months, I was actually matching what I made on my job to the point
Mhm.
I started exceeding my income at work. So around a little bit before Christmas last year, I was able to walk away from my job. And so all I do is Forex trade from home.
Mhm.
And I'm so grateful for the opportunity to be able to do that because now I have time and money together. And I feel like when you have time and money together, now you have some freedom in your life. And
Yeah.
so, which is what I was really looking for.
Mm.
So that's just pretty much my story. And the reason why I do this is, of course, just for my family, and just so my children can have something
Mm.
financial stable for them to look forward to for their future, because I really don't want them to struggle like we had to growing up. It was
Mhm.
rough. And so it's just important for me to put something in place
Yep.
for their future. And Epic Trading is going to allow me to do that. I don't really take that much time up trading every day because me personally, I like to trade in the New York session, which
Yep.
pretty much starts at 7 a.m.
Mm.
Central Standard Time. And then I like to go until about maybe 11 a.m.
Mhm.
Central Standard Time. Now, I don't trade that whole time. I just look for a couple of trades. And then if I make money, then I'm cool for the rest of the day. So like if I start at 7 a.m. and make money between that and like maybe 8:30 or something like that or 9 o'clock, then
Yep.
I'm done for the day. I don't spend all day long, waiting
Yep.
on market markups and waiting on moves. No, and then if I don't even see somewhere where I can make money on during that time frame, I just won't trade for that day. I'll just go back the next day.
Okay. All right.
Yep.
So what would be like an average you would make in a day or a week if you're only doing 4 hours a day or so?
Oh, sometime like this morning I made $1,000 off of two trades. And
Okay.
yesterday I did 2,000 just off one trade. So, my husband, he trades also. One day he had like an $8,000 day. And we're not even doing these for like hours. We're doing this like for a couple hours or 1 hour or sometime like 20 minutes because we do it on a 5 minute time frame. So we're just in and out. We like to scalp.
Right.
So it's not that much time with trading. We just like to get in, get our money, and get out. And now we got the rest of the day to go do whatever, work
Yeah.
out, go hang out, go out to lunch with friends, whatever.
Yeah. But in terms of like when you trade like that, and if your risk to reward ratio is like 1 to 2, 1 to 1 or something, that means that if you're making $8,000 or $2,000 or whatever it is, you're also risking that amount to make it. Is that right?
Sometimes, but not really because depending on the move. Let me just show you here, for example. Let me just slide this because I cannot access this. Okay. So just off this technical analysis right here on this chart,
Mm,
the best place to get into this market right here for this move would have been like above this blue line, which is a moving average.
mm,
So if I got in right here and the market kept moving up, I
mm-hmm,
wouldn't even have a stop loss because as the market moving up, I'm bringing my stop loss right behind me because now I'm securing my profits that I've already made.
mm-hmm,
So now I don't even have any risk because if I got in right here
mm,
and then the market's already going up, I'm not going to leave my stop loss there with the risk because now I've made money. I could just bring my stop loss along the way as I'm going up. So
Yeah,
now
yeah,
I have my reward. I don't even have any risk. See what I'm
yeah,
saying?
yeah,
So
yeah. So
we call it a trailing stop.
yeah. So your routine is pretty much the same every day. You do the same time frame, you use the same strategy.
Yep. If
Okay.
it works, don't fix it. Just keep it
That's
super
right.
simple and you're good to go. Yep.
Yeah, yeah. What do you think is your like best strength to do this and make a good living out of it?
Just the best strength is just that, just take my time with it. Just be patient with the market. If you're
Mhm,
unsure, don't get in. If you don't even see a move, like, don't get in. That's
mhm,
just what I do. Like, I don't force it. If I
mhm.
don't feel comfortable with it, I just won't do it. And it's just like I'll just try again, like the next day or whatever. Because again, I'm not trying to lose money here.
Yeah.
I don't, every time I trade, I only risk like 10% really,
Mhm.
and that's pretty much it.
Okay.
So I mean that's just basically how it goes. It's pretty much the same thing every single day.
Well, in a week you would take say number of trades, maybe 10 trades
Oh,
or
okay, yeah.
yeah. So how many of those would hit the stop loss and how many would hit a profit target?
Oh, I would probably say maybe like I'm pretty much 95%
Would it be profit target?
profit. Yeah.